AFAKE right angle clamp corner clamp. Durable right angle clamp, made of premium aluminum alloy, die casting material. Allows two wood block, of different thicknesses, to be joined at a 90-degree angle. Maximum clamping, range is approximately TACKLIFE corner clamp. Limited time promotion, don't hesitate. Ideal gift for your family and friends, to do DIY project, heat-treated threaded rod and steel nut, make the HAC3B more durable. Aluminum alloy and long-lasting. The 90 degrees right angle clamp is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material with a structural rip design, ensures the durability of the tool itself. Die casting based construction and heat treated carbon steel threaded rod, guaranteed at a longer life. WETOLS angle clamp. Trustworthy quality WETOLS 90 degrees right angle clamp is uniquely prepared with the aluminum alloy, die casting based construction, where high durability and well-built design are conveyed to ensure long-lasting use. Clamping range. Maximum clamping range is approximately multi-angle corner clamp. Adjustable angle and size. We provide you with 3 different angles of woodworking clamps, give full play to your manual skills. Suitable for wood boards with a thickness of 5 to 22 mm, used for 60/90/120 degree angles and T-joints. Even apply to assembly to board with different thickness. High quality and durable. The clamps for woodworking are made of good quality of ABS material and it is durable enough to work many times without damage. Lightweight and easy use, ideal for those who are just starting woodworking or home repairs and crafting. NAYE corner clamp. Sturdy 90 degrees right angle clamp is made of aluminum alloy die casting based construction covered with heat-treated rust-proof coating. High durability and well-built design ensure heavy-duty and long-lasting use. Clamping range. Maximum clamping range is 2.75 in. Jaw width, 3.74 in. Jaw depth, 1.4 in, allowing 2 different thicknesses wood block to be connected at right angle. It can accommodate metal tube, steel rod, wood, thick glass, acrylic piece and more.